DeFi Income Investor Update. Today is November 2nd. In the last 24 hours, we returned 1%. And what's impressive is Ethereum traded flat, and the other pair we're trading, Link, was actually down about 3%. Current expected weekly dividend after management fees is 1.43% per week, or an annualized return of 74% with extremely low drawdown. Our current share price is at 1,060. Now that's $143 per $10,000 invested, paid out as a dividend every Friday to your bank account. In this table, we're looking at the share price. It started at $1,000 and has slowly risen to $1,073. We have not yet issued the first dividend. When that does occur, the share price will reset to $1,000 each week. If we're ever below 1,000, there will be no dividend until we get back to par at $1,000. Our goal is to keep your capital safe and create consistent income for retirement. You can see our farm value has grown from $30,000 to $45,000. Note that we did have $15,000 of new capital flows into the portfolio this week. Hedge value has also grown due to the new capital rising, but I want to point out on the 1023, 1024 date, notice that the hedge went from 1506 to 7,393 in a single day. That's how we protect your capital against downside risks, by shorting the assets we're long while creating enormous fees for income. Yesterday, we had a record-breaking $915 of income based on a $44,000 farm. And again, that's a 2% return in a single day with almost no downside risk. I'm going to repeat this. Ethereum traded flat, and Link, the other cryptocurrency we're trading, actually went down 3%. So to make a 1% return is just huge. Our greatest drawdown in a single day was 1.9%. And we do believe we have tightened up the settings to avoid drawdowns almost in any circumstance moving forward. There'll still be some days where we can have some drawdowns, but our current settings are airtight for protecting capital. In this chart, we're looking at the wild moves in Ethereum. It's started off dropping the first day we launched, then flying up, and now it's been trading sideways, as you can see. And then here's Link, which has actually been in a drawdown for the most part during the periods we've been trading this. And once again, it's had 10% volatility, and it didn't affect our portfolio whatsoever. Currently, we have a hedge with a notional value of 20,000 in Link and a hedge with a notional value of 20,000 in Ethereum against a farm value of 44,000. Now, a yield farm is just another way of saying that we're a market maker. We provide liquidity to people who want to get in and out of Ethereum or Link. In this chart, we're looking at the capital. We have 44,000 long Link ETH. And then with collateral, we have 3,900 shorting Link, and then 3,648 shorting Ethereum. And again, that's leveraged up so that we're essentially 90% hedged at any time. You can check all our assets on the blockchain using DeBank. If you click the link below and sign up for our newsletter, you actually get this report emailed to you daily, so you can see exactly what's going on with the portfolio. And you can click this link and verify everything we're describing in this video for yourself. What's the catch? Right now, we're only going to accept $5 million to continue these high level of returns. If the bull market does come back, liquidity could increase and we could potentially raise more capital. At this point in time, we want to lock in at 5 million and then take no more capital. Disclaimer, investing is risky and you can lose money. Consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Okay, this is the end of today's update. Click the link below. You'll go to a web page that looks like this. Type in your name, email, and phone number to get on our daily update. Plus, you'll be invited to have a free one-on-one consultation with Dean Gallagher to talk about how to get started now. You could literally get your first dividend next Friday if you get started right now. So click the link below to get started today.